Hey guys, so today
Yeah, just wait. Okay.
I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle.
God is gonna marry with I know with wow. It's a wonderful day. And
Boy, if you don't get
out here with
Liam.
my sister. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Why y'all just laughing at me, okay?
I'm back, y'all. Hold on. Scoot over. Okay. So I'm gonna sit down right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit out too.
And so, yeah, I need this robe because it's cold, y'all.
It's not. It's like you covering me up right now.
Okay. So this is my sister bowl. There's nothing in there, and this is mine.
But
And we
gonna
make
show
it
you the
slime.
ever.
I'm finna pour the glue into our bowls. And first I'm gonna pour mine. Okay, so I just poured mine. And we don't really have just finished hers. I'm gonna put the top back on and put it back where it goes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blow that now.
Get them. Kind of smell different. I don't.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that back over here.
Ooh.
Baby, it's heavy.
It don't
Okay,
taste
y'all.
good. It don't smell good.
Okay, it's not supposed to.
I just.
Okay, guys. So y'all, here go hers, and I'll just give you yours. Here go hers, and here goes mine. So first, no, you don't pour that. Where the top?
I know, cause I was just putting it. Let's just go. Okay. It's on the chair.
No, I don't think it is. I don't know. Just come on. Let's
Okay.
continue this. So, like, we don't have any color right now, but we gonna buy some.
With our own money. Yeah.
So now we're gonna
Pour.
pour this.
And we're gonna mix them up. Everybody does. So,
I'm finna pour it in there. In mine. That when you do it, I let the way you do it.
it kind of like water. Cause it's clear.
Okay, you can pour yours, but don't pour too much. So I'm finna mix mine, guys, together, and it's turning into slime. It's turning into slime.
That's all I need.
Yeah, but you'll get some more if you need it.
Yeah.
So
I'll just go
it's
put it right
not really turning into slime. It looks like milk. So I need to pour some more
Yeah.
of
Me
it
too.
in there.
Can you put some more mass?
Okay.
A bit more. It's gonna mix it.
Okay, guys. So I'm mixing it some more.
Some of it coming together, but it's coming together more if we keep mixing it. Try to get some of that.
So I'm still mixing mine, guys.
Mine's not mixed.
And it's coming together.
Mine's not coming together. More. It's not.
You don't have to pour a lot.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put a lot. Whoa, put that.
Okay.
Put that touch.
Where the top?
Right there.
So yeah, guys, we had to put this up here. We had to put this chair right here. So y'all
can see the balls.
So don't mind that we got a chair. We gonna get a table and stuff and set it up. But right now, it's just
On our next video, probably. Next
on
video.
my next video. So yeah.
Yeah, this is like.
You got so heavy, baby.
I wonder what people be doing. I mean,
Should I do a voiceover, y'all?
sure,
I'm talking to the people.
people will love it.
The people. But let me know.
In comments. It's called in comments.
Y'all, this is looking like that marshmallow stuff. So, you can feel it getting thick. Is yours not working either?
No.
Well, it's not going together.
No, it's not.
Okay, y'all, so is going on my phone, but I fixed it. So, we still stirring it and everything.
Yeah.
It's kind of coming together, but
We need to look at it
it's
more.
okay. It's still coming together. I don't
Mine's
need
kind of
it.
like a pancake.
So mine's is messed up, so I'm gonna throw it away. Not this way. We almost finished. And
I'm
mixing
just start mixing with my hands, cause
it. Me too, cause it looks like it's able to get touched. Heavy. Okay, guys. So there was some technical difficulties, but I got it all fixed, I think. So don't be mad if this video just keeps stopping, but it just keep happening. So
yes, it is.
Leah, you done slime me a chair.
Oh, sorry.
No,
It's okay.
this your chair.
Oh yeah.
You got slime on it.
Okay. So, it's okay.
Okay, guys. So we taking the slime out the thing, and it's okay. It look like milk though.
It do. I like it. It look like heaven, like heavy. Like
I don't think it looks like
it looked like a white cloud
Yeah,
a white
that's what it
spoon.
look like.
and a white bowl
So
and a white mirror.
yeah, guys.
Yeah, white.
No.
Like your shirt.
No, my shirt is not white. My shirt got color on it. It's not just white.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is the slime that we made. But
It's a puffy cloud. There's like a puffy cloud.
so yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all the slime out of the bowl because we don't want to waste.
Why's mine's always like that?
I was like, what?
It's like this. It is sticky so much, and it comes to like a white cloud. I don't know how to do it, but y'all know how it likes to be. We're gonna like that. You think it's good now?
Okay, guys. So I just literally cleaned the whole bowl. Like it looks new a little bit. So,
Yeah.
we got the slime, guys, right here. My slime right here, and hers. She still need help with hers. So this is
You
mine.
gonna help me?
Smells good a little.
Yeah, kind of.
That's how I kiss. Like it's a baby.
Yeah, like mine is not like, perfect.
Okay, so yeah, she. Ooh.
Told you.
Okay, hold this. Get the slime off of there. So, y'all, her slime is not cleaned out the bowl like mine. So I'm gonna help her. That's like really, this is so much noise. So yeah, finish almost. Let me see your slime. OMG. So we trading slimes, y'all, cause hers sticky. No, I'm just playing. So we I just helped her get her slime out, and it's not out the bowl all the way.
Some people go fast mode on theirs, but okay.
So yeah, guys, do this.
I wanted a fast mode party. Ain't nobody can see me like that though.
Okay. So I just got the slime out her bowl and everything.
Yeah, you can.
Everything. So this is her slime.
Yeah. You got some of it.
Heavy. So heavy, baby. Here. Oh, damn.
What that really got stuck on your nose? That's what I was. I was like,
It got stuck on my nose.
I was like,
It got stuck on my nose.
I was gonna ask you that. What if it got really stuck on your nose? Legit.
Okay, y'all. So this is her slime. And here. And this is mine. It's just so plain and white.
A
So
fluffy
should
towel.
we mix it with some of the pink slime? Let's get a little bit of it. It got some
Give me
coloration.
something.
So this is the pink slime. Here.
Put it in there.
Yeah. So we're gonna mix it some of this because baby girl, the slime is ugly.
Yeah.
So we gonna mix this together, guys. And it's kind of pink. Get out of my room! Why is you in my room? Get out.
Who is you talking to?
Monkey, you tell Traquan to get out of my room.
They come in together like it's kind of like a good color. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's kind of like a white color. If y'all can't see it like a little more like
This is what
like that.
the pink slime look like. I'm gonna add some more.
If y'all can't see it, like it's like this. It's like this. It's kind of like white pinkish, but as y'all can see, yeah, our bows is like empty, ones.
So this is what the slime looks like. It's
Puffy.
kind of pink and
A
white.
puffy white cloud,
Yeah.
like a puffy pink white cloud. Like,
So
look at yours, kind of like pinkish white. Like I want to eat it. It's like cotton candy. Yours look like cotton candy. Yours kind of look like cotton candy, Mary. Mine's can stretch. It can stretch it so much. Oh. It can stretch. I wonder if we can do a bubble on heat. Remember when you did that bubble on the
So
heat?
yeah, guys, this is our slimes.
Yeah. Now we
And
got.
I'm gonna put a picture right there of the slimes. Cause that is. I don't think
'Cause
y'all
y'all can
guys, y'all
see-
can see it, but y'all can't
Come
really
on,
see
y'all
it
can
because of
see
the
hers.
light. So y'all can't see the true color.
I want to see it in the dark. Look up in the dark. It kind of look good up in the dark. But my shoes.
So
look
this
good up in the
is a
dark.
big slime, like. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and our notification bell to get more videos just like this with us too. And family in the family. Subscribe.
Peace,
Prank-
y'all. I love
pranks.
y'all. And love everybody else that's watching this video. Cause you for real, I gotta love people.
Subscribe for pranks. Subscribe for pranks and everything. Might be prank with brother, but yeah, subscribe to him.
Yeah. He played Fortnite.
I mean, not subscribe to him, but subscribe to see them videos.
Yeah, subscribe.
Everything.
people.
So,
Oh, and subscribe to
guys.
this.
oh no,
Okay.
I'm blanking that out.
Peace,
Peace,
y'all.
y'all.
Word. Yeah.
Word.
Work. Say.
Show me how you work. Show me how you work.
Work. Work. Work. Work. Work. Work.